Here's how to fix iCloud not syncing all photos. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and you're connected to a network. Once that's done, go back to the main settings page and tap your profile name at the top. Select iCloud from here, then tap on Photos. Make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. You should also see a status showing that your photos are currently syncing. Before all your iCloud photos appear on your iPhone, the syncing process needs to finish completely. Depending on how many photos you have, this can take several hours. It's a good idea to connect your iPhone to a charger and leave it overnight so the photos have enough time to sync. If your photos are still missing, go back to the iCloud settings and select Manage Storage. Check that you have enough available storage. If your iCloud or iPhone storage is full, this could prevent some photos from syncing. You can also select View iPhone Storage and remove unnecessary files or apps if you need to free up space. If the issue continues, return to Settings, tap your profile name, select iCloud from here, and then open Photos. Try turning off Sync This iPhone and select Remove from iPhone. Confirm the removal, and then turn Sync This iPhone back on. Give your iPhone some time to complete the syncing process again. If your photos still aren't syncing, you may need to sign out of your iCloud account and then sign back in. After logging back in, check your Photos app again. Your iCloud photos should now begin syncing correctly. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.